UST learned the right way to eat these fruits. 1 watermelon, cut it in half, slice horizontally a few times and then vertically, hold and eat directly, super convenient. Now, mom won't have to worry about me having watermelon juice all over my face. 2 pineapple, chop off the top and bottom, slice it in half, make horizontal cuts following the texture, then vertical cuts, this way, it's clean and hygienic to eat pineapple. 3 dragon fruit, shave off the top, make a few slits in the skin and peel it back, slice the flesh vertically and then horizontally, cut into small squares, perfect. For cantaloupe, cut off the top seeds, make 2 vertical slices, slice off the sides and then divide it evenly, looks delicate and refined, guests will be impressed. 5 For a fruit knife, spread a layer of oil on the blade, cut the papaya in half, then into small pieces, remove the central part, take a small bowl and place it upside down, then put the papaya on it and press slightly, wrapping it becomes quick and easy. 6 At pomegranate, cut a square-shaped hole on the top, lift off its red cap, slide along its membranes, remove the top knot, pull apart each half and tear off the membranes, invert into a large bowl and give it a good whack. If some seeds don't fall out, pinch and whack them again, super clean. 7 Orange, chop off both ends, slice halfway, then cut horizontally, slice piece by piece, this way, you get a perfect piece of flesh. 8 Grapefruit, cut off both ends, peel off the skin, make a cut in the center, slice a small opening, then break it apart, tear off the membranes, peel and enjoy. Follow me for more life hacks.